biggest city I've ever been to. I'm pretty excited. Pretty close to downtown, it looks like. We can get a closer view here in a little bit. Alrighty, we're downtown right on the lake. We're gonna go do a little sightseeing while we're down here. Here's the boat we're getting on called Chicago's Classic Lady. I'm hoping we can get seats on top when we go out on the water.
As you look around the dock here, you can see the buildings look very different from one another. Now, I'm an engineer, so I'm all about water. It can still wash the leaves all the way out that far off the tube. So we went back to the drawing board. We're looking at like but you know who wasn't so excited? Where are my friends on the boat from St. Louis? Yep, there they are. St. Louis sued to stop the project, which just means Chicago did it even faster. And in the one direction, the water sloshes back the other way to jumping off the boat. One quick North Riverside, and all look to the right, smile, say cheese. I know I have some new Chicago parents on the boat here today. To the right-hand side, we have Lakeshore East Park neighborhood. There is undulates in and out as it goes upward to the sky. And towards the top of the tallest stem, so they have to give up 2 full floors of primo real estate space to allow those flow-through floors where the wind could pass pretty much uninterrupted through the building. Not the captain. Could we please give the captain and crew a round of applause? They worked very hard to keep us safe. And
this was a really fun tour that we'd like to do again. By the time we got done with this tour, it was nighttime and Kelly and I had to walk back to the car, but we got some pretty amazing footage along the way that we'll include in this video and some shorts. I'm on the bridge. Out there is the pier area where we were earlier, and I'm just right here where we rode the boat looking at the cityscape. This is amazing looking. Alrighty, day 2 is going to be just as fun as day 1, I hope. That riverboat tour was pretty fun that we did, but today we're going to a pretty special place. You can see we're wearing some Cubs gear. I'm usually a Reds fan. We're going to Wrigley Field today to watch the Cincinnati Reds play the Chicago Cubs. Let's see if the kid does better. All way better.
There's nothing better in the entire world than Chicago Cubs baseball. So on 3, you know what to do. A 1, a 2, a 3. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I never get back, so it's root for the Armies. If they don't win, it's a shame. So it's 1, 2, 3, splash around at the old ball game.
Alright, we're here now. I'm gonna get a couple of pictures. See it there, pretty famous song. Alright, we got on the subway. There's a cool short of that, so check it out. I'll probably have a few of them. It only costs like $5 to ride, and I was only 2 stops away from O'Hare. So I'm gonna get a little bit of footage of some of the airplanes taking off while we're here. I thought it was pretty cool. This is one of the busiest airports in the world, and it lives up to its reputation. There are dozens of 747s in the sky around me right now, landing and taking off. Over here on this side, you got the couple of the air traffic control towers. You can see way over there, you can see some of the planes setting. And then right over here, where people get out to go to the airport. All right, so each of the parking places is themed. I got a couple of those passes. Actually play these songs on the right on each of the floors, which I thought was pretty cool. Alright guys, I walked a few miles after I got off the subway to get here, but I'm finally right across the street from the Sears Tower. Alright, my subway is right down there. I'm going to get one last look at the Sears Tower before we left. On the final day, we finally got to the objective of the trip, taking the kids to the Flying Hawk Invitational Cross Country Race. Douglas was able to have a personal best race at this, and we are super proud of him.
Go Douglas!
Come on, Douglas, you're doing good! Go Douglas! Push, Douglas!